Choosing your CMS isn't just a technical decision, it's a strategic one. Without the right foundation, things can quickly fall apart. That's where Umbraco comes in. Built on Microsoft's .NET framework and backed by a strong open-source community, Umbraco gives you more than just a CMS. You get a flexible platform that lets you pick and choose the features that matter, from commerce and personalization to going headless. It is all up to you. With the market's fastest implementation, Umbraco ensures value from the get-go, giving you the momentum to keep moving forward. The cherry on top? You only pay for what you actually use. No hidden costs, just pure value. Sounds great, right? And here's the kicker. By eliminating unnecessary costs and complexity, Umbraco empowers you to invest where it matters most, giving developers, marketers, and designers the creative freedom they need. Umbraco opens up endless possibilities for your digital content. Whether you are starting small or going big, Umbraco scales with your business. That is why we call Umbraco a CMS platform, a solid foundation for building a flexible, scalable, and secure home for your digital content. Ready to learn more? Reach out and let us show you how Umbraco works.